Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, October the 12th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And yeah, let me start with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle number 5320. 5320. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 3 O's we have here in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s. Oh, I cannot place here because we have a between 2 O's comes a 1 always. Okay, between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so then this box should be a 1. Okay. Then 1 2 3. Okay. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. In the first column, those 2 boxes should be an O. 1 2 3 4 1s. Yes. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1 2 3. Okay, I need to compare, I think. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay, we need to compare now. We need to compare. Do I need to compare the columns? That's the question. Or do we have a 101 here? Do we have this column and that column. Okay, let me compare. 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's. Okay, finish in 4 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.